Hey beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lita. I am back today with another banger. So basically I'm gonna be showing you how to do a protected hairstyle. This is the hair. I'm taking down the hair I had the night before. I had like a bantu nail. I was trying to do a bantu nail leave out, but that did not work out because my hair is a 4C hair and it's really hard to like to curl it up or whatever. But today I'm gonna just do a ponytail with a crochet using the Curlkalon hair to get a slick curly ponytail. You feel me, y'all? So yeah, as you see, first of all, to get the hair to hold into play and get it to really slick into a bun, I separate them into this little knot, and then I kind of comb all of them together while using the Eco Boost gel to make sure they slip by really nice. So yeah, just watch me do it, and if you like videos like that, please do not forget to subscribe so I can bring more videos to you. Put on the post notification so you don't miss out when I post. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and you just watch the whole step.